Good morning, everyone.
Hey, good morning.
We're so glad that you're here. Now, today we're going to wake up our bodies with a gentle Tai Chi-inspired morning flow session that's designed for older adults, beginners, or anyone that just wants to feel looser or more energized for the day. Now, I'm April, and this is my mom, Aiko of Yes and X, and the slow, gentle movements that we're doing today are inspired by Tai Chi, which is a practice that has been shown to improve balance, mobility and flexibility, coordination, in addition to helping prevent falls, which is so important. Okay, now my mom is going to be doing this one seated. I'll be doing it standing so that we can all participate. And how does that all sound, Mom?
Sounds great. Need to get the body moving. Let's go.
All right, we'll take a pause here and get started with our gentle morning flow session. Hey, Mom, you want to have a seat?
Sure.
All right.
Thank you.
And again, yes, everyone just be comfortable in your clothes. You can do this workout with or without shoes and just breathe naturally.
Right.
Okay? All right. So that's where we're going to start by just breathing first. So inhale and exhale. Good. And as we do this, let's bring the arms up. Inhale and exhale down. Good. Whatever your range of motion is here, inhale and exhale. And two more. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale and exhale. Very nice. Take a breath. Okay. We're just going to step out now. So step out and step out. We're going to wake up our hips here. Okay? And as we step out, we're going to open our arms and we're going to close our arms. Good. Open and close. And open and close. Very slow, deliberate movement, gently waking up the upper and lower body. Okay, give me two more here. Open and close, and one more. Open and close. Very nice. Take a breath, everybody. Beautiful. Okay, feet hip distance apart, even if you're in your chair. Okay, and we're just going to weight shift. So go side to side. And so if you're standing with me, we're just shifting our weight with our knee over our ankles. And if you're in a chair, it's not an upper body move. It's a kind of butt cheek move. So you want to feel that weight shift, butt cheek to butt cheek, right?
Oh, my butt cheek feels good.
Feel your butt cheeks feeling good?
Yeah.
All right. All right. So as we shift, we're going to bring our arms up and down and shift the other way. Up and down. Very slow. Up and down. Breathe. Up and down. So you feel this nice shifting of the weight. Up and down. Breathe. Really waking up our upper and lower body here. Breathe. Give me two more. Up, down, and up and down. And a nice little tip here, if you're standing with me, is just keep your knees slightly bent. That gives you a little bit more mobility. Okay? Very nice, everybody. Take a breath. Okay. Now our next move is we're just going to go up and down. So one arm up and bring it down, and the other arm comes up. And so listen to your body. If you have shoulder issues, you just do the move as high as you need to. Just even keeping it down here is fine too. Okay? Bring it up and down. And it's kind of this continual flow. Breathe.
Slow.
Nice and slow. Really waking up the shoulders here in a gentle way. And believe it or not, you're working on your coordination as well. Because as we bring one arm up, the other one comes down.
Yeah.
Breathe. Breathe naturally. And give me two more. Up and down, and then up and down, and rest. Really nice and beautiful. How are you feeling, Mom?
Feeling good. I'm flowing.
Okay. How are you feeling? Check in with your body. You're starting to feel the flow here. Okay, very nice, everyone. So next we're going into a side step. So step and then touch. We're actually going to move it. So step and touch. You can do this in a chair. Step and touch. Okay, step and touch. Step and touch. Again, working on lateral motion. Nice and slow though. And I'm going to add in some arms here. So as we step out and then we bring it in, we're going to close. Okay, so it's like opening a gate. Open and then close. Breathe. Open and close. Open and close. Open. Breathe. So we're waking up the chest, back muscles, in addition to our hips, legs, and feet. Oh, really nice. Breathe. Give me 2 more from here. Open. Good. And open and close and bring the arms down and rest. Whew. Very nice. How'd you feel that one?
Really good.
Okay, very good.
My chair is starting to squeak.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh.
that's not part of it.
That's not part of it.
The chair is flowing too.
The chair is definitely flowing. All right. All right, very nice, everybody. So we did a weight shift. So we're going to weight shift side to side. So if you're standing with me, slight bend in the knees, and you, butt cheek to butt cheek, slide, right? Mm-hmm. Weight shift side and side. Side and side. And this is where we're going to have the arms come up as we weight shift one side, and then weight shift to the other side. So as you can see, I'm doing a little figure 8 motion here. Breathe, weight shift, and weight shift. And you, again, if you're standing with me, slight bend in those knees. Breathe, gently waking up the body, and even gently strengthening all those muscles. Breathe. Breathe naturally. And just flow with this. Even working on movement in your core as well, which is so important for every motion that we do. Okay, so breathe. Nice and slow. I really want you to control it. Breathe. And 2 more from here. 1 and 2 and rest. Okay, excellent work, everybody. So breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Take a breath. Okay? All right. That was almost like a hula move. Okay, so if you're standing with me, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be basically push and pull. Okay, so we're going to push and pull. We're going to push forward. Okay, forward. Yeah. Forward and back. Okay. Forward and back. If you're standing with me, you're sitting, you may have one foot forward and then 1 foot back. Really slow, Mom. Forward and back. Okay, and I'll show you from the side. Forward and back. Breathe. And back. Really slow, Mom. Slow down. Slow and back. Okay? So breathe naturally. Good. Breathe. And keep, notice my back is straight, no rounding of the back. And by doing this move slowly, we're really engaging all of our muscles, okay, in a very slow, intentional way. Breathe. It takes strength to be able to do this slowly. Okay, and 1 more. And breathe. Okay, we're going to switch legs. So I had 1 foot forward. We're going to switch the other foot forward, and we're going to do the same thing. Okay, here we go. So forward and then back. And try to think of we're trying to make a flow here, right? Nice and flowing movement. And once you get the move down, you will feel comfortable and be able to kind of just flow with it. Weight shift forward, weight shift back. Weight shift forward, weight shift back. I'd like 4 more from here. So forward, breathe. Forward, and then breathe. And 2 more. Nice and slow. Forward, and back. And 1 more. Forward, and back. And take a break and rest. Very nice, everybody. Okay, feel your body waking up?
Yep,
Feel
it's
your body
flowing.
waking up? All right. Nice work, everyone. Okay. So, next move is, and if you're standing, you can hold on to a chair. It's just really bringing up the knee, bring it down, okay? Knee up, alternating, okay? Now, here's the challenge move. Is we're going to bring one arm up and then flow as we bring that knee up and flow. This takes some coordination
Yeah.
and strength. And again, if you can't do this move, just do it, hold on to something and just do it with the legs, okay? Just give me the knee up. Okay, breathe. But as you get better, you'll be able to do this move. This is really a balance flow.
Yeah, this is balance.
Really good balance, everybody. Okay, and if you can't get your knee up, here's another option for you. It's just to give me a toe tap.
Yeah.
Give me a toe tap, okay? And as you get stronger, you'll be able to lift that knee up, okay? Breathe. So toe tap, or knee up, or just do knee ups and hold on to a table, countertop, or mom. Okay.
No charge.
No charge. Breathe. Okay, 4 more from here. This is 4. I love this one for your balance, everybody. This is 3. Good. This is 2. And 1. And very nice. And rest. Excellent work.
Thank you.
Okay, nice work, everybody. Okay, want to really wake up the midsection here in the core by just reaching and then placing. Okay, good. We're just going to reach and we're going to place. Breathe. Very nice, nice and slow. You should feel your core, your torso engaged here. Give me 2 more. Place, and 1 more. Reach, and place, and rest. We have to do the other side now.
Okay.
Okay? You ready to do this? Nice and slow. Reach, and then we're going to place it down. Good. We're going to reach, and then place. Very good. Keep it going. Reach, and place. Reach, and place. Give me 2 more. I love this move. Reach and place. Did I say 1 more? 1 more. Okay. Reach and place. And very nice. Very nice, everybody. Okay. Whew. Coming to the home stretch here. We did the toe taps, right? Okay. Toe taps. So nice. We did pushes. We're going to do that. We're going to push it forward. Bring it in. We're going to push it forward. We're going to do alternating feet here. Nice and slow. Slow. Good. Yes, with these arms. Slow. And slow. Excellent work. Breathe. Good work. Okay, nice work. Now I want you to give me pushes to the side and in with the feet. Yeah. So we're going kind of opposite here. Push and out. Push and out. Good. Push and out. Push and out. Very nice. Push and out. And push and out. Really nice, everybody. Take a breath. One last move here. Okay. We're going to push, but we're going to step back. Push. Bring it in. Good. Push and in. That's it. Breathe. And the step back doesn't have to be big. It could be a little one. Okay. Just getting everything engaged. Yes. Slow. Breathe. Excellent work. Give me 2 more. 1. Good. And 2. And stop and breathe. Very nice. All right. Excellent work, everybody. So we're going to close this out just with, we started with the inhale and exhale.
Yeah.
That's what we're going to do here. Okay. So we're going to inhale up and exhale out. Good. Inhale up exhale out. And one more, inhale up. And exhale out. And very nice work, everybody. Again, check in with your body. How does it feel? Your shoulders feel a little looser? Body just feels like it a little bit more awake than it was when we started?
It feels good.
All right.
Feels very good.
Okay, wonderful.
Great wake up.
Wonderful, everybody. Now, if you enjoyed this session, let us know what you thought. Give it a like, share a comment, and subscribe to our channel. It's always a joy to help you keep moving and start your day with movement.
Right.
All right, so we wish you a wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you in a future session.
Right.
And in the meantime, keep moving and
Keep flowing.
that's right. See you soon.
See you soon.